his injury a nightmare.
All right, Shalom.
A long way to recovery in the hospital just days earlier. While
I guess there's an issue with the sound
massive tree branch
on this video I did
paralyzed from the shoulders down.
entitled Precursor to Invasion, How America, Esau Set Up Mexico.
His family is left wondering now whether
So I guess it didn't record,
when he could physically embrace his 1-year-old
but
son, and
it was a good lesson.
his dad Laren shared with us.
So Yahawashi ratazah, he put the spirit on me to redo it. But it's not going to be today. It's not going to be tomorrow. Because there's some other videos I wanted to do. So yeah, with that, I want to say Salaki and Shalom.